Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully you can hear me. Bald River Falls. It is it's a Wednesday, and there is nobody here. So maybe that's what you do. You come out on a rainy day in the middle of the week. But isn't that absolutely amazing? So I'm not quite sure everything that I'm going to do yet today. I'm going to try to do the skyline. No. Yes. I don't know. Whatever's up here. Cherohala. Did I pronounce it right? And then isn't it absolutely amazing? And I might even do the dragon yet. Yeah, let me see what today is. Wednesday the 21st. Man, I love it here. You know, we got a little bit of rain. I'm in my high vis. It's all good. You know, sometimes we don't win and it rains. So on that, I am gonna head to the dragon. Hey, welcome back, everybody. So we just left Bald River Falls. And I am going to pronounce this wrong, but we are now on Cherohala? One of those, maybe? Correct me if I'm wrong, like always. And we're just gonna climb up into elevation, and it's just a wonderful, twisty little road. I think the speed limit is about like 45 miles per hour. I don't know. It's super wet. A ton of gravel right there. Oh, 40. It's 40. Yeah, close enough. And I'm probably going to just take more pictures than I am video, because it's wet and I want to enjoy the ride, and I want to save the battery and the card space for the dragon, because I think we're going to do the dragon next. And why not? I mean, what else are you going to do when you take a trip and it rains and the low pressure is going to sit there and it's just going to rain for 3 days? You find a spot where it's not a downpour and you go for a ride. So I'm gonna let everybody go. I might get some B-roll or some stuff as I go along. I'll see you down at the dragon, everybody. Welcome back, everybody. Deals Gap. Definitely got to check out the Tree of Shame if you don't know anything about it. If you go down on the dragon, you can place a part on the tree. Pretty cool. And then of course it's just nothing but raining, of course, but we still have people doing the dragon. And of course I leave a key in here. So I am going to, let's do this. I'm gonna go check out, maybe get a sticker or two, and then we're gonna jump on the dragon ourselves, and then we're gonna get back to the hotel and enjoy a hot tub and a swim.